In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate a QR code linked to a monday.com item. First, open your monday.com account and go to the board that contains the items you want to link with QR codes. Next, open the monday.com app marketplace and search for a QR code app such as Instant QR Codes, QR Item Tracker, or another QR code integration. Install the app and follow the setup instructions to connect it to your board. Once the app is installed, click the Integrate button at the top of your board and select the QR code app. Choose an automation recipe such as, when an item is created, generate a QR code. Now, select the column where the QR code will be stored. You can use a file column for the QR image or a link column for the generated URL. Review the automation settings and click Add to Board to activate it. From now on, whenever the selected trigger occurs, a QR code will automatically be generated for that item. To use the QR code, simply scan it with a smartphone camera or QR code scanner. It will open the linked monday.com item, making it easy to access information instantly. That's it. You've successfully generated QR codes linked to monday.com items. Thanks for watching.